never seen the fish of Bay Lake. Pretty interesting. Also, the heck is this? Why is this here? Good evening, everybody from the Magic Kingdom. We're here today to try to scout out some locations to videotape the last wishes and the new Happily Ever After fireworks. So let's see what we can find. Maybe we'll ride something, maybe we won't. You never know. Maybe we'll find a really interesting spot to see the fireworks from. Yes, I love the train. I do miss the opening show here at the train station. But the new one's good too, I guess. Pretty soon this wishes sign will be replaced with a Happily Ever After sign. I wonder if Happily Ever After is presented by Pandora. I do have a feeling that the number of proposals after the fireworks will go way up. Just think about that. Fireworks end, everybody's happy, you turn to your significant other and say, how would you like to be my Happily Ever After? I'm like a hopeless romantic, right? Castle looks so awesome. Like, right near sunset. Move it, shake it's happening here. And Donald is getting ready to shake his tail feathers. I think that our spot is going to be pretty amazing for wishes. Look at the Liberty Bell going by. It is beautiful out tonight. Guys inside of there are like working on the engine. Whoa. Really is pretty awesome looking. We're heading to go see the projection show now, and there is a Haunted Mansion Nutcracker in here. Look at that.
Dreaming true, wishing there's something only suddenly there's a star. Once upon a time, a dream that came true.
Off to the comic with you now, Chip. It's past your bedtime.
But Mama, don't forget my favorite part.
I wouldn't dream of it, dear. Once upon a time. That's how the most wonderful stories begin. Stories that can take us anywhere. Magic.
Magic?
Oh yes, magic. turned him into a hideous beast and placed a powerful spell on all who lived there. The only way to break the spell was for him to learn to love another. Tale as old as time, beauty and the beast. together, will you? It's time to dream a new story.
Turn the page. Once upon a
Man, oh man, Wishes certainly will be missed, and what an excellent spot to view Wishes from. Like, that was kind of over in Frontierland, like on one of the docks out leading between Liberty Belle and Splash Mountain. So if you guys are looking for a very interesting spot to watch the fireworks from, I highly suggest that area. But as for me, I am off, and I will see you guys tomorrow And now it's time to pay the price.